poppin', you know, I'm rocking with iRockCanary.com.
Yeah, man, we getting it in all day, man. This is what we do. See, we got the whole thing popping off, man. The whole thing. T-shirts, chains, man. We serious. It's serious business, you know what I'm saying? P.S. J. Nick, you know, giving a special shout out to 1906, you know what I'm saying? That's my man behind the camera, you know what I'm saying? Giving shout out to MH84, you know? Giving shout out to B. LaShawn Productions, you know? Platinum Family Entertainment, you know? We holding it down. YBE, Young Black Enterprise, you know? We on the move, man. Let's get it.
iRockCanary.com, Narco DVC.
iRockCanary.com.
August the 4th. If it's going down, Studio 51, be there. Be square. I don't know what you're gonna be doing on August 4th, but most definitely need to be there. Log on to iRockCanary.com for all the information. Damn, I feel like paparazzi watching me right now. I got 2 cameras. Y'all boys better get down with the movement because it's going down. I don't know what y'all thinking about, but most definitely get with it. Get with it. Y'all see us out here.
What up, it's your boy Vito with iRockCanary.com.
iRockCanary.com. August 4th, 2012. Make sure y'all get it in. So iRockCanary.com. Make sure y'all log on to the website. It's hot out here. It's hot as hell out here, to be honest with you. It's hot as hell out here, so we're gonna keep it cool, we're gonna keep it smooth. J Nick, Tank Dog. What more can I say, man? 100.
iRockCanary.com.
Hey, low key, nigga, we walked the whole motherfucking strip. The whole goddamn strip, nigga. I don't know how long it's been since. Nigga, we walked to Chicago in that bitch, nigga, and came back. We got motherfuckers in Chicago coming out to this shit. But we walked to Chicago and reached out to them, nigga. We just walked to them today. That's what happened after I started putting this together for y'all. Trying to make sure everything straight, everything good.
He say that's what happened since he been putting it together. I was just like him. And this is what happened since I've been putting it together. You know what I'm saying?